44. Beyond the Veil. The room was bathed in a soft ethereal light, as if the very fabric of reality had been infused with an otherworldly glow. It was 17 April 2018, and I was about to embark on a journey that would unravel the threads of my reality. A journey into the depths of my own soul, guided by the gentle wisdom of Christie's hypnotherapy. I'm floating, weightless, a leaf on a breeze. 52 wolves surround me, each one a year of my life, their eyes gleaming like stars in the night sky. I walk among them, and they part, revealing an eagle, majestic, soaring. We rise together, wind rushing past, a mighty river. I'm standing at the edge of a precipice, a sea of faces before me, radiant, otherworldly. I speak, and my words ripple through the crowd, a stone cast into a still pond. Laughter, smiles, the fabric of reality transformed. I'm moving through realms, unencumbered, free. Skeletons stirred to life. Crystal clear water flows through me, quenching my soul's thirst. A compass materializes within my chest, magnetic north beckoning me toward my truest self. Where are my children? Why can't I see them? Souls are souls. Everything is okay. They're free, unencumbered by human burdens. I'm free too, no longer bound by fear and doubt. I'm returning slowly to the present, forever changed, a doorway unlocked, infinite possibilities within me, eager to embark on the next stage of my journey.